Hi friends, it's Harmony Skillman from Paradise Travel, and I'm about to give you a room tour of room 839 at the Belmond Charleston Place in Charleston, South Carolina. So I just arrived, flew in, quick easy flight from New York, be about a 13-hour drive from New York, and I'm so excited to be here. I've always wanted to go to Charleston. I'm going to be touring around for 2 days, actually 3 days. I'm doing the tour for 2 days. I'm staying an extra day. I'm going to come say hi. And I'm going to, this is the 8th floor. This is, ooh, I love the slippers. This is the highest floor they have. And it's also, there's some sort of club level situation going on here, which I love. I always love booking into the level with the extra amenities. And this is a very well appointed closet, especially for one person. And I love the floor. It's just very fancy. You know, like a fancy getaway. I just threw my stuff over there. And let's go see what's in the bathroom. Let's see, you've got a nice sink. Hi there again. I look like a hot mess, but and we're gonna be doing a dolphin cruise. We're gonna be doing a bunch of eating. There's restaurants and bars. Ooh, look at this on the agenda. A nice deep shower and the rain shower head. No tub, but a nice shower. Lots of mirrors in this place. Hi again. And we are gonna do the spa, and I see something from the spa. I like the look of that. I'm gonna be doing a 50-minute massage tomorrow. In-room breakfast. I like that a lot too. And I think after this, I'm gonna settle in, go find some lunch and walk around. We're very close, very centrally located here. You have Market Street, King Street. Ooh, look at that rooftop. That is nice. Is that part of this hotel? Because I am definitely into that. And then I'm actually gonna be staying at another hotel on Thursday night, which I will give you a full tour of. But this is the Belmond, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Charleston Place. I'm on the 8th floor in room 839. This is a club level room where there are club level amenities. There are some snacks, and I guess there's breakfast. And, you know, if you're looking for a domestic getaway, you want something different, you know, that you haven't done before, but you want it to be luxury, that's here. And I can book that for you. I'm Harmony, ooh, canned water, at yourparadisevacation.com. You can give me a message on YouTube. You can find me on socials. These don't open. On all your socials at Mama To Go. And I'm a full service travel agent. I don't charge any fees for my services. So you get VIP, concierge, personalized service and a great vacation with none of the work. So I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'm gonna unpack a little, and I'm gonna go explore Charleston. See you later. Thanks, friends. Be sure to like and subscribe.